Hi, my name's James Doherty, and this is a short video to introduce a new web-based application called LAP, which stands for Lateral Analysis of Piles. A few key points. LAP is completely web-based, so you don't need to install any software other than a standard web browser. You run simulations on any internet-connected device, including phones, laptops, and tablets. Your data is saved to the cloud, so you can access it anywhere, and you can collaborate with other users by sharing projects. It's also free to sign up and use, and can be accessed at www.geocalcs.com/lap. This is the main login screen for LAP. If you haven't registered, you click on the Register tab and just fill in these simple web forms. Once you've done that, you just go back and log in with your email address and the password that you created. This is the main login screen. As you can see, it consists of several main menu items across the top, starting at Project, Pile Soil, Groundwater Table, Loads, Springs, Results, Settings, Manual, etc. So working from left to right along these menus, you start under Projects, where you have two options. You can either load an existing project or you can create a new one. Today we're just going to load an existing project. Here you'll see a list of previous projects you've worked on, where you have a range of options for sorting by project name, run ID or date. Once you've done that, you can select the project you like. You then have a couple of options. You can delete it, you can share it with another user by typing in their email address, or you can load it back into the Back in the main screen, you'll see this clickable object which represents all aspects of the model. The blue object in the middle is the pile, so if you click on that, you'll see the properties associated with the pile. Similarly, if you click on the coloured layers, you'll see the properties associated with the soil layers. So the upper layer is clay and the bottom layer is sand. LAP has a number of built-in soil models, and these are all documented in the user manual. You can click on the icon representing the groundwater table to explore how that's defined. Then you can click on the load, and you can see that loads are defined as either forces, moments, prescribed displacements, or prescribed displacements. There are other options there that you can explore in your own time, but if you hit the run button, you'll see it runs very quickly, and you then see a summary plots representing the load displacement response, the bending moment diagram, the pile deflection, shear force diagram, and the pressure diagram. You can export all your results to Excel for offline documentation. And this opens up in a few seconds. And you have a whole range of data that you can then use for later post-processing for creating graphs for reports, etc. So that's a very brief introduction to LAP. If you have any questions, please send me an email, which you'll find on the front page of the user manual. Thank you.